Acer C720 Chromebook C720-2848. Review deal discount unboxing setup. I have an Acer C720, $199, and an Acer C720p, $299, and both are amazing machines. If you don't mind plunking down the extra $100 for the touchscreen, then go for it, but really you will do fine without it and save yourself $100, especially if you are buying these as gifts like I did for others in my family. Here is a list of the apps I use on both, and it runs them fast and flawlessly. Facebook, Gmail, Google Drive, Google Docs, Chrome Remote Desktop, flawlessly connects to my Windows 7 laptop, and I can run any Windows program remotely with ease, and flawlessly connects to my Office desktop, and I can access all my Office records, which is key since I am a family doc. Google Cloud Print, easily prints documents to all the printers I have set up, my Bible, Kindle, Twitter, Hootsuite, Weatherbug, Netflix, Pandora, YouTube, Google Plus Photos, automatically puts all my photos taken on my iPhone over to my Chromebook, runs all websites including banking websites and my mobile hospital app flawlessly with Chrome, including Adobe Flash Player sites which my iPad and iPhone still won't run. The only cons I can find so far are no Skype app. If you want to do video calls, then need to use Google Hangouts, which is much less intuitive than Skype. And you cannot hook a printer directly to a Chromebook, but you can use Google Cloud Print to print easily. Needs Wi-Fi connection to do most things. This is really not a problem for me as I am always connected, and they have developed a number of apps that work when not connected, including Document Writer and Email offline. Battery life amazing. Almost 8 hours of use. Touchscreen good, but not like an iPad, can't use your fingers to zoom in with pinch. Touchpad very good. And really don't need the touchscreen because touchpad works so good. Keyboard very solid. Can use any wireless mouse with it. iPad still can't utilize a mouse. Screen brightness great. Sound adequate but a bit tinny. USB port charges devices and can use flash drives to move and transfer files, another thing I still can't do with my iPad. 2 years free of 100 GB Google Drive, this saves you $120 right there. 12 free Wi-Fi passes while on planes. I don't fly much, but still a nice convenience and saves you the $10 or so connection fee. Free virus protection. All in all, a great economical way to access the internet with ease and lightning speed, and do 95% of what most people use a personal computer for this day and age. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.